Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam stated, a person who holds the position of sacrificing an animal but does not perform the ritual should not enter the Eidgah. It is an obligation on every person who holds the position of performing the ritual sacrifice. For the sacrifice to be obligatory, it is not necessary for the well to be at least a year old. The requirements needed are as follows. Number 1. A person who has 87 grams 480 milligrams of gold. Number 2. A person who has 612 grams 360 milligrams of silver. Number 3. A person who has little gold and silver and together they sum up to rupees 55,400 worth of silver. Number 4. A person who has little gold and a certain amount of money that sum up to rupees 55,400 worth of silver. Number 5. A person who has little silver and certain amount of money that sum up to rupees 55,400 worth of silver. Number 6. A person who has a certain amount of money up to 55,400 in cash or goods of trade that worth the same. In all the conditions mentioned above, if a person holds such a position, then he obligated to perform the ritual of sacrificing.